China placed a third city under lockdown on Thursday to tackle the COVID-19 numbers, with around 6 million people now under orders to stay home as Beijing chases zero cases before the upcoming Winter Olympics. The country has taken a zero-tolerance approach to the virus since it first emerged in central China in 2019, stamping out emerging flare-ups with border closures, targeted lockdowns and strict quarantines. Although the hardline measures have kept the numbers of new cases far lower than most countries, the world's most populous nation is currently grappling with small outbreaks in at least 11 provinces. After confirming one new case, authorities in Hainan in Heilongjiang province followed suit on Thursday, ordering people to stay at home and forbidding residents from leaving the far northern city except in emergencies, according to a local government statement. Offices in the city, which borders Russia to the north, have also begun testing 1.6 million residents and tracing close contacts of the infected people. China reported 23 new domestic cases on Thursday, less than half of the previous numbers, in a sign that the country's tough disease control may be working. Tens of thousands more people remain under lockdowns of housing compounds in several cities, including Beijing.